好凍，英文點講呢？凍呢啲人就會諗 cold 咯，高階啲會教你講 freezing 啦，咁的確係嘅。但係今日咧就想教大家一個比較特別啲嘅生字，凍到騰騰震、騰騰聲嘅就係 frigid 啦。例句：It was on the frigid night of Christmas Eve that I found Whisker shivering on a street corner, his fur caked with mud and his eyes white with fear.Apparently abandoned by its former owner。呢度咧就係講緊咧有一隻貓啦，好慘嘅喺一個即係街頭嗰度啦，咁咧就震緊啊，因為咧個天氣真係好嚴寒啊，仲要係咧呢一個平安夜嘅日子咧就俾人抌低咗喺個街上面啦，又凍啦，對眼咧又好驚啦，跟住咧成身都係泥濘喎，咁所以咧個畫面咧就會睇到咧，其實係一個你可以去收編呢一個小貓嘅呢個故事啦嘅第一幕咧就可以咁樣寫，係咪好生動咧？如果你想知道咧點樣學多啲生動嘅英文啦，同埋點樣可以融合喺你嘅作文之中咧，可以揾我哋傾下偈，我哋可以教你點樣學生動嘅英文㗎。